Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. It's Monday, so we are just going to go through our quick analysis. As if you want some full analysis or a complete or very long analysis, we have our weekly analysis that we just did yesterday. So what's really happening? As you know, in 2 days we're gonna have CPI from the US. So that is gonna be way much greater. So what do you see? Whatever that you see on the screen here, I'm trying to show you that actually we had a NFP on Friday, but NFP, guys, did not really go the way we maybe we thought. The numbers were positive on NFP, but the market already was priced in that price from Thursday. The market did sell on Thursday, or the dollar was way too stronger on Thursday and before the news. So when the news were released, it was no longer surprising because already investors already acted on that price before they even know the outcome. So it's like they guessed the outcome positively. So once we have those outcomes or the result, guess what? We just take the other direction because we already sold a day before that. And if you don't really know about that, then that is going to be a problem, because sometimes you will say why it's NFP positive, which means the dollar is supposed to be aggressively going up, but it was doing the opposite. That's because of that, right? So that is something that you should understand as a trader, right? So yeah, that's what I was trying to actually trying to explain. So you can easily see that the stock market was actually going positive on Friday. Everything, almost major stocks were actually positive on Fridays, right? Actually last Friday. So I think that will end up continuing this week. We might see the market continuing as we have CPI this Wednesday. So today we don't really have anything. You can see there we don't really have anything. It's Monday, Tuesday, nothing, and then CPI. And when we check the numbers, it seems like, yes, it seems like things will be going in our favor, but let's hope that the numbers are going down like this. Unfortunately, you can't change these numbers. You can just guess because we don't really know them before. So what we can do is to try to follow the market structure. If maybe you want to follow the news or trade the news, or just stay out and wait for the news to be released before you try to jump in the market. So, but you can see that previously or previous month, the numbers were actually higher. So they say now the market will be, now the numbers or the actual, they will be going down. But now it's just estimate. So we'll see if maybe these numbers comes bit lower. If it's lower, that will make other markets like a Nasdaq, US30s, gold to continue going even higher. So on Thursday, we have PPI. This is also very important, PPI and unemployment claims. This is actually every week. So this is something that we'll be also checking. So 2 days in a row. And later on Wednesday, sorry, I forgot that we also have a meeting, FOMC meeting. So this might also make the market to go crazy. But I like the fact that it's going to be after this CPI. So if CPI is going to be going down, I'm expecting some positive comments from them. And that will actually push the market to go even higher. Simple as that. So let's close this and just go. Let's go on our analysis. So I will try to be as quick as possible. I will try to make things quick, as this is just a quick update, right? This is just quick updates. So let's see. Let's see. Let's start with Eurusd. Yeah, so this is what we have now. I will just try to be as quick as possible. For those who wants to be part of the team, you can check at the end of this video. We have our price list there. So you can see that on Eurozar, the market, it seems to be trying to continue on this downtrend. You can see I did talk about this yesterday, by the way. So if you want full analysis, you can go back there. But we can see that we have this breakout there. So it seems like the market is now giving us this horizontal ranging structure. So if the market continues like that, it's fine, but we just want the market to break this support area. So before we continue with the buy, or maybe the market will end up breaking out of that resistance. And if it breaks that resistance, it means the market will be trying to go back on that bullish move. So you can see that this is where the market broke out, this level there, you see. So if the market breaks out of that, I'm expecting to see a nice push. But for now, we can expect the market to consolidate. You can draw your support area around this level, your resistance around that, and you can wait for the market to break out. So once the market breaks out of this uptrend, obviously we understand that it shows us that the market wants to do what? Go down as a downtrend, because once we were on a very stronger support area or a stronger uptrend, right? So let's push to the next one, which is Euro JPY. I like what I see here. The structure is quite straightforward. So you can see that, yes, we are actually on this nice uptrend. The market has been going up. So what we have, it's something like that. We have this resistance. We're waiting for the market to reach that resistance. So if the market reaches that resistance, we're expecting things to happen. Whether the market is going to respect this level, go down, or maybe the market will end up respecting this breaking out of this resistance and going up. But since we are on this nice uptrend, I'm expecting the market to reverse, and then once the market is coming back here, we can easily look for another buy. Or there is a chance for the market to break out of that, because already we are on this nice uptrend. So there is a chance for the market to break everything and still continue. But for now, I think it's just a good time for us to relax. It's still Monday, guys. We don't really have to rush things. It's Monday. So on USD JPY, quite similar moves, like whatever that happened 2 weeks ago, I think. Yeah, I think 2 weeks ago. The market is still actually on this nice uptrend. You can see that the market is going up. But what we have now is this consolidation. It shows that the market doesn't really know what to do, but we're still above our support area, which means we are still on this nice uptrend. I'm expecting to see the market break out and continuing to go up, or maybe the market will end up going down, respecting the support before we buy, unless if the market breaks out. But if the market breaks out, we'll actually talk about that when that happens. But for now, we just need to focus on the current structure. So GBP USD, GBP JPY, this is what we have, a very nice uptrend structure. You can see that the market has been continuing going up, respecting this support area. So obviously, I'm expecting to see a nice continuation, but the continuation has to be normal, not really that aggressive. We see here we never had any aggressive structure. So even here, I will be expecting quite similar structure, something like this. So I'm expecting to see a nice push to the upside, but around this level, it might be our resistance or potential resistance, and I'm expecting the market to come back around the support, because this is what we've seen. So don't just expect the market to go up like that, unless if maybe there are some economic news. But this is gonna be our focus for now. We are waiting for the market to reach this level. We get out, maybe the market will reverse and we get in again. Unless if the market breaks this support, we will start to look for those sell positions. But for now, we are still looking for those buys. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one, Euro USD. The market is still trying to range. We had a smaller uptrend. You can see the market was going up. We had this breakout. It seems like now the market is playing around our resistance. You can see that it's exactly where the market broke out. So it means the market might actually start to range around these levels. The market might start to range around these levels. You see that? So this is what I'm expecting. So, but with this type of a structure, we're expecting the market to continue going down as the market actually broke out of this uptrend. So which means I'm expecting the market to continue going down like that. But for now, as the market is actually on a resistance, but this is actually at the higher level. This, it can be a very nice sell. I will see what I can do in the group, or because the safer area is this support where we can actually sell below that. But it seems like we have enough distance between our resistance and support, and since the market broke out, that can be a very nice sell, unless if the market decides to continue with that trend and breaks this resistance. That will be a different story, right? So now let's go on the next one. Which is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still continuing with that bullish momentum. You can see that the market is still continuing going up. The market is still continuing going up. Very nice. So this is what is going to happen. I'm expecting the market to continue going up. You can see I've drawn this support area for quite long, or for quite some time now, and it seems like the market is respecting that. But on top there, we also have something that we can say we have this nice resistance that is pushing the market actually. So the market, if you want to buy, obviously where the market is, it's giving us this wedge structure. So you should wait for a breakout, and once the market breaks out, it might actually go crazy, unless if the market ends up breaking that support area. That's what I see. So let's push to the next one, DXY dollar index. So what's really happening? We can easily see that the market is still struggling around that resistance. So I'm expecting to see the market breaking out here. So on top here, we have a very nice resistance, and you can see that the market did respect that several times, by the way. So it seems like the market will end up respecting that. If maybe I push this little bit lower, you can see that every time when the market reaches this level, the market used to actually go down. Even here, I'm expecting the same thing. That might happen. If it doesn't really happen, it means we might see the market breaking this level of resistance, and we will say, okay, the dollar is now getting way too stronger. But since we have CPI, we will see. I don't really know what will happen, but I'm expecting it to be little bit weaker, like in last month or previous event. Even on the economic calendar, you saw that they expect those news to go a little bit lower or weaker, and that will be good. Because the main story now, it's not actually this other economic news. It's actually what will happen, or our expectation actually on with the interest rates. The price is still going up, or inflation is still going up. Then can we cut the rates, or are we still going to wait with the rates? That is the main story now, because if they cut the rates, that will be good for consumers, and the economy will actually try to flourish again. But for now, things are expensive. People, they don't really buy much, and obviously if people, they don't really buy, it means they have to fire some workers because things are not moving, you see. But once they cut inflation, people, they can start to take some loans. You can start your own business. You can buy car, house, whatever. Then things start to move, you see. So now we are actually on Gbpusd. The market was on a very nice uptrend, nice breakout, quite similar to what we saw on EURUSD. Now the market is just retesting here. So I hate getting inside this consolidation structure, especially after the breakout. So what I want is to see the market breaking out here on the support before I continue, you see. So because the market here can just play around, yes, we can sometimes make some profits, but it's not really safe, especially if maybe the market wants to just adjust. The market can just break out of this area and still continue going up, and you will say, oh, that was fake. No, it wasn't a fake breakout. The market was just trying to adjust. Then we'll end up drawing something like this and say, oh, that was actually our support area. So I'm still expecting to see the market going down, unless if the market tries to break that resistance and go to the upside. Gold still flying. I was waiting for a nice reversal towards this support area before I jump on a buy. But what I can say here is the market already gave us something. It's where the market seems to be rejecting. or we can say a potential resistance, so the market might come around that level. So but if it comes back around the support, it's where we can say we can look for that buy, or maybe the market will come back and respect that area. If it breaks that area, it will show us that it's still quite bullish, and we can still jump on that. But it's not really safe because the market is already very high, which means it's gonna be way too easier for gold to sell. It might still be difficult for it, not really difficult, but when it pushes up, it might not really be the same as before. You can easily see that before the market was just going crazy. Here it was going crazy. I'm expecting it to go a little bit slower. And we know about geopolitical stuff going on all over the world, so that pushes gold to go even higher. People are buying enough gold, right? So there are gold reserves all over the place. And gold is one of, it can retain its value for, like, whether there is war, whatever. You see, it can retain its value for the West, like when things are not going well. You see. So now we are on US30. What's really happening on US30? This was the main movers actually last week in Nasdaq, US30, S&P 500. They were just moving very nice. But at the end of the day, we are still on this nice uptrend. We are still on this nice uptrend. Let me just try to clear this just to make my chart very clean. So you can see that we are still on this nice uptrend. We are still on this nice uptrend. So what happened here is the market did try to break out of this diagonal support. You see that. So again, we had a smaller support, but on this one, obviously, you can't know if maybe the support is going to be here, the support is going to be here or somewhere, you see. So we just guess which one is very closer. And we were lucky the market did respect one of these two, one around this level. So now the market seems to be trying to go back. So I will wait and see if maybe the market wants to reverse, or maybe the market will be continuing going up. But I've been actually talking about this bullish move. This reversal was needed, obviously. But with this type of reversal, you see that reversal, expect another move like that. And I'm expecting that maybe on Wednesday during CPI, maybe we might see some good news. It's been a long time, guys. We never had some good news that favors Nasdaq or US30. So I'm expecting it to happen now, and maybe we will be continuing buying. So yeah, I'm still expecting buying. So with this type of a structure, to me, I can say I will start to say the market is on a downtrend if the market breaks this support area, and I will say it's time for us to look for sell position. But for now, nope, we're not doing that. We're not doing that because this can be a fake breakout actually. So let's push to the next one, which is Nasdaq. Quite similar to US30. What's really happening, you can easily see that the market is still continuing going up. I already adjusted my support area there. You can easily see that yes, the market has been going up for quite some time, but this level was already a support, quite similar to this, that, whatever. So you can see that the market actually did play a role around this level. So the market came back around that. But just because the market is evolving, before that we had something like that. So the market was just coming back around this support area, then to push to the upside. And the market did that. So unfortunately, if maybe you have some trades above that, that can be a problem. But it's sad to lose, and then the market comes and respect a very, very, very straightforward support area, even though it looked like a breakout. But we can easily see that it's another area that the market can respect. So now I'm just expecting to see some consolidation because we're expecting some news. Then after that, maybe we'll see a very nice push, or maybe even before that we might have these pushes. So I'm expecting to see that, unless if maybe the market breaks this support area, then I will say it's time for us to look for those sell positions. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one, which is S&P 500. You can see even on S&P 500, I did try to actually adjust my support area because the market did show us that it's actually continuing with that buy, and I'm still on that. I'm still expecting the market to even go higher. So now it seems like the market is trying to reverse. Actually, still since Friday, the market reached this level, tried to go even lower. But maybe when the market opens, we will see the market continuing going up. Unless if the market breaks this level, then we will say it's time for us to look for that sell. But for now, as long as the market is still above my support, I'm still going to continue with that buy. So US oil, I think it's just the same thing. The market is trying to reverse a little bit, but we are on this aggressive bullish move. There's nothing much I can talk about. So if you want to see our prices, just wait on this screen, then you can see our prices. So you can scan the QR code, then you can just talk to me, or just WhatsApp the WhatsApp number that you see there, then you can talk to me. Crypto, it's actually accepted. So let me know if you want to be part of the team. Thank you very much. Bye.